Welcome to MotorcycleDen, and today we're heading down in Kentucky. We're gonna slab it for a little bit, which we don't like to do, but it's about the only way to get down there. So, and we got 6 bikes with us today, right? 6 total?
Yep.
Yeah, we're gonna head down
3 riding, 2 up.
Along the Ohio River. This should be a good ride.
Oh my goodness,
So,
I went airport.
We'll get back to you in a bit. Well, we're down here just south of the Creation Museum. Got off the Petersburg exit, 275. And we're going to be going along the Ohio River, like we said, on the Kentucky side, and then crossing over in Madison. Coming back.
Indiana.
Madison, yeah, Madison, Indiana, yeah. Yeah, and then, thanks, baby. And then coming back 56 and 156. So, it's usually a real pretty ride. Madison's a great place to stop. They got a good riverfront. What would you call that?
River walkway.
River walk area or whatever.
River walk.
It's a nice sharp turn.
Not nice. Sharp turn, but not nice.
This is the first time we've had this many bikes riding with it, which is it's great. I like it.
That one's doing it too. See, it's a...
Oh,
he brought his in.
Yeah, I don't know why they sit there and hold. Maybe they're letting their wings dry. I don't know. Maybe they got
Maybe
wet.
they're like, I'm hot. I'll put them up.
It might be. I don't know why they hold their wings out. Anybody know why them birds? We don't even know what they are, but the big black birds.
The big bird.
They're just sitting there holding their wings out.
Maybe they're related to Big Bird.
Related to Big Bird?
Uh-huh.
Maybe. There's a creek. Ooh, muddy.
Ooh, look how fast that boat's going. He's racing. We're winning.
Are we?
He's pulling ahead.
We're going 50. He's moving on.
Yep. He's in the lead. See? Pulling the way. Beating us.
That's alright. You're yagging me on.
First, since we're just eating FTR, we're talking about speed. You'd be like, man, I missed that bike.
Sometimes I do. But I like this better overall.
I did not sleep.
Oh, you did? I slept pretty good. Until 5 o'clock and I had to pee. Sucks getting old. Oh, what a view! What a view! What a view! I was trying to say what a beautiful view, but you know I can't talk, so. Well, we ate at lunch at Madison. We was going to eat at Hinkle's. It's like a hamburger place, I think. But they were packed. There was nowhere to sit. There was nowhere to sit, so.
Hardly anywhere to stand.
Yeah, it was bad. So we found a place called what?
Big Apple. Or maybe it's
Bad
Apple Mack.
Bad Apple Max. Yeah, that was it. Bad Apple Max.
It was very, very good.
And it was higher price than Hinkle's, but it was good food, and it wasn't bad price-wise. So it was great food. We had good service. It was good.
It was what, $21 for both of us?
Yeah. So
I got a sandwich, potato salad. I got a turkey club, potato salad, and a sweet tea.
I got a big salad.
Just
And I mean,
salad?
I was completely full. It was good. Everybody, we had how many people we got in our group today?
9.
9 people, and everybody liked what they had. So.
Oh, they had a pesto mayonnaise. It was yummy.
So I mean,
I'm gonna have to look up to make some.
if you're in Madison looking for
Good restaurant.
somewhere to eat, I recommend it. It was nice. Bad Apple Max. I don't really understand the name, but you know.
Well, because they have a sandwich, and it had it's a burger, and macaroni and cheese, and onion, and bacon, and fried apples.
Oh, well, there you go.
See, the macaroni, I would have tried the macaroni on it.
But the
I don't know
apples.
about the fried apples.
Yeah.
I would want the apples separate. I love fried apples. I just would want them separate.
Right, that sounds a little weird. I don't know. You never know, though. You know. But,
Sometimes you get a weird combination. It's really, really good.
right. I mean, look at me and Mrs. Den. We're a weird combination.
And we work out really good.
That's right.
But you know what? I made homemade macaroni and cheese yesterday. When we do a burger for Memorial Day, we could just slap some on there and see how it works.
Yeah, there, because that homemade mac and cheese you make is fantastic.
Pretty good.
Yes, it is. There's some low water there.
Just on the right side.
Yeah. We have had a great ride today. I am so glad everybody came along with us. And it's warm though. I mean, it did say it was 91 bike said. What were they?
I thought they were 30 votes.
Might be. I would like to thank everybody for staying with us, watching the video. Until next time, guys.